Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ankush. Okay, so I come up with a very basic and very quick one. So this is going to be the donut chart. The donut chart. Everyone loves the donut chart. Depends on the requirement and design to design. Okay, so like everyone start like creating the donut charts. So what I'm thinking about that, if you give this donut chart in the different way like that in the front of you, you can say I just play around with the colors and I'm giving the end user, definitely they would love to see. Basically the end goal is to see the profit ratio is increasing or decreasing. Okay, so let's just start this video. So I've connected my Tableau to sample superstore data. In this data we have the profit ratio. Okay, and the second calculation I need the remaining one. Remaining is going to be very simple one. So what I did in this calculation, so I did minus 1 minus my profit ratio. Okay, so once I created the two calculation, the second step or the second step I need to create the pie first. Okay, so let me search my two calculation is going to be the profit ratio where it is. Let's profit ratio and the remaining one. Let's convert it into the table and let's make it a percentage with the ones. Okay, and my measure name is going to be the color. Let's make it a pie and going to the measure value is going to be this. So now you can see the half kind of thing is already there because I've already applied the colors. So let me remove for you. So now you can see the better colors. Okay, so now you can see we have the by default pie chart which Tableau has provide. Okay, so let me show you how can you read this chart. So profit ratio is this one. Okay, so we and the remaining is the this one, the light below. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll make it a the donut one. Okay, let me duplicate this. So we have the two pie side by side. Let's remove the one color from the pie and I make it a circle and it should be my white color. Okay, let's dual axis. Let's make the synchronize axis. Now I need to play around with the colors. Okay, so let's say remaining is going to my white and I want should be the border little bit this or maybe this. And second pill I need this and border should be this, and let's make it a color. Okay, so I need to remove everything in the view. Everything is meaning the line, grid line and the zero line. Okay, you can choose different colors. I make it a white and blue. You can just explore the different color as you want. And I profit ratio should be my the label. Okay, let's align that and I want some different uh the big font. Okay, here we go. Let me apply the one subcategory filter over here. So we can select anything from the filter. So my number should move. Okay. So here we go. So the numbers are moving as per the selection. Okay. So the end goal is to that instead of giving you the default or default view for the donor, try to create some different one for the end user. Okay. So that's it from this video. Hope I hope you will like this video and make sure subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for your time.